This innovative body dryer transforms your post-shower routine into a luxurious spa experience with 6 versatile functions, including a convenient pre-warming mode. It offers a significant improvement in personal hygiene by replacing potentially damp, bacteria-prone towels with a stream of clean air, and its detachable footplate simplifies cleaning. The award-winning design is not only sleek and modern, but also exceptionally user-friendly, featuring simple toe-touch controls, ideal for those with limited mobility. Despite generating a powerful airflow that reaches up to 38 miles per hour for quick drying, it operates at a remarkably quiet 64.2 decibels. You can customize your drying experience with adjustable temperature settings, providing a gentle warmth that reaches a comfortable 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This device is an environmentally conscious choice, significantly reducing water and energy consumption by minimizing the need for frequent towel laundering.